nice Korean kitchen. I have noticed that whenever I go to a Korean restaurant with my foreign friends, they always request to refill this particular side dish. It has a full of calcium, which is anchovies. I prepare stir-fried anchovies recipe today. Shall we begin? Go go! I have anchovies. There are many different sizes of anchovies has. Today I will use 잔멸치. 잔멸치 means it's small. It's really small, baby anchovies. The pan is very hot, so I'm going to put the anchovies, and we have to fry it without oil. The anchovy has some smells because it comes from ocean. The anchovy, being an oily fish, is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, well known for its ability to lower level of triglycerides and cholesterol in the blood. The fried of anchovies, not too long, really long, so I can check it. The anchovies are still soft. I'm going to fry the anchovies until it's a little bit crunchy, but not really brown it, just a little crunch. When my kid was 3 months old, I started feeding him anchovy. I always boil the anchovy water and mix it with powdered milk. Also, I used anchovy water to make baby's porridge until he grew up. I can smell it, the fish smells now. Some of them doesn't like this smell, but for me, it's okay because I'm used to it. The purpose of fried anchovy is to fly away the fish smell. And also some crunches. I think the sounds is a little crunch. Yes, it's enough. You can cook only one anchovy, but when combined with nuts, it becomes more nutritious. Today, I put pine nuts. It has oil, so we don't need to put oil. And just let it dry some. You know, when you keep long time the nuts in the freezer, the smell becomes bad. So this is the purpose to fly away the bad smell also. And at the same time, crunch too. It's enough. Look at the color. Just add together with anchovies and nuts. I'm going to boil the sauce. So 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of plum juice, 2 tablespoons of mirim, and we'll boil it. It's boiling now, so we'll put the anchovies and nuts. And mix it gently. Then turn it off the heat. Then last minute, I'll put some sesame oil for good smell. And 1 tablespoon of syrup. Any kind of syrup is okay. Even honey. Just mix it gently. Then finish. So, and highlight sesame seed. This is full of calcium. Now I'm going to eat stir-fried anchovies. 멸치볶음. It's crunch, a little sweet. It's really yummy. You guys, some taste it. It's really delicious. This anchovy dish is good for young children, even old. Let's cook it, follow my recipe, and keep it in your fridge. It can keep even a month. Thank you for watching my videos. 감사합니다.